Alright, I thought this would be another cool, I don't know, tech tip, so to speak. It's called data entry forms. And so what you can do is come up here and fill out things that you're interested in inputting. You know, like for instance, first, last names, street, address, city. We'll fix this in a minute. It's not a big deal. State, phone, maybe what the person ordered. For instance, I could see using this. One way I could see using this in the future, someone ordered, you know, like a hog from me or something like that. But it's, of course, not the only way to do it. So you want to highlight this. First, before you do that, check to see if you have this button up here. It's called the Form button. If you don't have that, you're going to go into here. That's one way to do it. Go to Options and Customize Ribbon. And then we're going to go up here and click on Commands Not in the Ribbon. Then you're going to look through this list to find Form. And it's not here. Oh, it's right there. So you click on Form, and then just click on Add. Okay? And where that will show up is it'll show up here on the same line where the Undo button and stuff are. Okay? So once you get those, you grab these guys and click on Form and just hit OK. It's fine. Oops, before I do that though, let me check this out. Before we do that, let's go ahead and widen this out a little bit. So we'll go ahead and widen it out, and it should theoretically use this same width for all of these. Okay? Theoretically. So we'll see if it does it this time. So the date, I don't know, January, if I capitalize it looks pretty. Well, actually, let's just do this. 1/16, no, try again, dummy. 16/17. And, I don't know, Michelle, can't think of the last name, Smith, that's handy. 345 North 1st Street, St. Helens, Oregon. Should have put a zip, but didn't put a zip. Oh well, sue me. And they ordered a half a hog from me. Now, of course, you know, you could do anything with this. This could actually be used for inputting bills, for instance, as well. I'll do the similar thing. Now, once it's done, it's been inputted. Now you do another one. So 1/27. Oops, try again, dummy. 17. Michael. I'm kind of stuck on those tonight, I guess. Michael Johnson. Air Force Health. Street. St. Helens. Oregon. I ordered half a lamb. Done. And so on, and so on, and so on. Now, apparently it didn't do what I thought it was going to do. I thought it was going to take that same column spacing, so if you click up here, you can drag those and make those as good or different as you want them to be. Totally fine. Okay? And that's it. You're done. And you can just keep doing this for over and over and over and over and over again as time goes on. Okay? So it's kind of a cool way to do it. So yeah, so you could also do this a similar thing for, I'll do it on a different sheet, for instance. You could have date, vendor, excuse me, description, cost, things of this nature. And again, this is just a different way to do it. I personally, I think I like, I don't think I like the form as well for this one. only because on this one, I'm going to be using the same vendors over and over and over and over and over again. I kind of like that data validation with the drop-down menu we did the other day. A little nicer for this, but this would totally work as well. So, you know, the date and the vendor, you know, Coastal Farm or something, and description. I don't know, got some new rubber boots. Sure. And the cost was, I don't know, $25. And Bajoom. There you go. Okay. Now, of course, you could keep a running total over here, and you do all that fancy stuff. Running total, something along those lines, totals, and then you can set up the whole thing, just like I've done in previous videos with the running total as well. The thing I don't like about this is that means I have to type, like for instance right here, I can't even spell Coastal Farm for God's sakes. With data validation, I don't have to worry about that. It's always going to be the same. At least it's going to be the same no matter how I spelled it right or wrong the first time. It'll always be the same all the way down the page. Versus over here, when it's somebody who's buying something from me and it's a situation like this, I can look at it and go, oh yeah, I'm not going to keep typing Michelle Smith. Maybe once a year I type her name because she's a return customer or something. But yeah. You could also put over here, you know, how much you received from her as well. You could do that just as easily too. There's really no limit to how many different, you know, how many different things there are across here. So I think we'll pause right there, kill this video right here. We'll be doing another one that kind of takes off from here and does a little something different as well.